Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your Wi-Fi connected but has no internet access on your Windows 11 PC. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. If you're facing this kind of issue, then what you can do is the first method is that just click on the Windows tab and on the search box type in View Network Connections. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the network connection. On this page, you'll need to select the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. So then right click on the mouse after you're done selecting it and then click on Properties, which is right at the bottom. So once you click on Properties, you'll be able to see a pop-up right in center, and on this page what you need to do is you need to click on Internet Protocol version. After you select it, click on Properties. So once you click on Properties, once again you'll be able to see a pop-up right in center. So on this page what you need to do is you need to slightly scroll down and you need to click on Use the following DNS server address. And after that you need to enter in the preferred DNS server address. So for that, type in, now you need to do it serially, and after that you also need to enter in alternate DNS server. For that you need to enter in 8844. After you're done entering the server, click on OK, which is right at the bottom, and after that click on close, and this might be able to fix the issue. If it does not seems to be working, then other alternative what you can do is tap on the Windows tab once again and then type in run and then open it. Now on this page what you need to do is you need to type in an ipconfig/flushdns. Click on OK, and after doing this you might be able to fix the issue. If you're still unable to fix it, so for the third alternative what you can do is tap on your Windows, search for device manager and then open it. On this page you need to look for network adapter and then you need to double click on it. If you're not sure about your network adapter, then what you can do is you can simply tap on the search bar and on the search box type in View Network Connection. You can see right over here the last one, that is 8821CE. This is your network adapter. So you need to go back to the same page. Once you've located your Wi-Fi adapter, right click on the mouse and then click on Update Driver. Once you do that, now click on Search automatically for driver. After doing this, close this tab and then you might be able to fix it. Now after doing all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then the last alternative would be just go to the Windows tab and then on the search box type in CMD and then you need to click on this command prompt, and after that what you can do is you can type in net, that is NETSH / winsock, that is WINSOCK space reset. Once you do that, hit enter, and after that it will switch on network and you can try again. So those were the method on how you can fix your Wi-Fi connected but has no internet access issue on your Windows 11. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.